This is our A4 size Rātaka Daily Planner for 2025. It's a beautiful turquoise colour with gold foiling in different rongo that you find around Aotearoa. It's a beautiful planner. And it also has a label on the back with barcode so that you can use in retail stores. You'll notice we've also changed the layout of that if you've bought ours in the previous years. They have 3 ribbons, as in all our planners. So when you first open it up, you'll see a full year in view. The first page where you can add your details. Then we have Kareke and Waiata, both in Reo Māori with the English translations. 2 pages for your pepeha. Then your sayings and some handy greetings you might want to reference during the year. Important dates in our history, and then the current dates in terms of public holidays, school holidays, etc. Space for you to add your own. Then we have space for reflection and then setting your goals for the year. Then we have a maramataka layout for you to customize. Then we have the previous year, current year, and future year all laid out because we know people like to plan and reference across all the important years. We have the transliteration of the months, and each month has both whiro and te rākau nui, so new moon and full moon shown. We have a layout for you to actually start locking down in terms of what your goals are going to be every month, and we lay them out in terms of the quarters, so down the page, so it's easier, especially if you own a business, to think in quarters. Every planner of ours has a monthly layout starting from Monday, and we also use a transliteration of the days in our planners as well. But we also reference the other commonly named for the month, which actually are references to stars that rise on the new moon. But we know that people often refer to them, but it's not the transliteration. Each of our daily layouts are the same in the daily planner. So we have times for your appointments and then space for you to add notes. Space for your daily gratitude. You can also, if you want to record the maramataka, plus on the sides we have the months, and then it's darkened whichever month it's in. We have te reo on one side, English on the other. Similar to also then on the weekend pages, slightly different.